Hey y'all, so we're doing a voiceover for today's video. Luvmehair sent over a 7x6 lace wig for me to show y'all today, and I'm really excited to show y'all because the way this lace is made, it's giving like a frontal effect, but you don't have to worry about it going all the way to your ear tabs.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say
So this wig definitely falls in the ready to go type of wig situation. It's beginner friendly. Once you get your wig, all you have to do is just adjust it to how you want to wear it. Since it does have lace space, you can do yourself a little side part action, half up, half down do, or middle part. I'm gonna show you guys a deep C left part, and then I'm gonna show you a middle part, but it's going to be zigzag. This wig definitely falls under beginner friendly because you don't have to do much work, and I'm going to show you guys that today. So this is their ready to go loose body wave wig. Like I said, it's 7x6 lace that you get to work with. It's 18 inches. It has a deep and free parting lace space. To install it, you don't have to use any glue. Elastic band in the inside that is adjustable, as well as some bands in the back, so you can adjust that as well. Fit it to how you would like it to fit. It has a breathable cap, and it's made for everyday comfort wear. I added a little bit of lace coloring to my lace just to make sure it would blend directly into my skin. I'm not going to do any baby hairs with this wig today. The way the wig already comes pre-plucked with a natural hairline, you don't even need to add baby hairs. And actually, the wig doesn't come with pre-made baby hairs. So if you want baby hairs, you will have to add them yourself. But the way the wig is made, you don't even have to worry about doing that. And look at how high quality that lace looks. It is such a good quality wig in general. So once I put my wig on, I'm just kind of finger combing it because I need to figure out exactly how I wanted to style it. I didn't know if I wanted to just leave it with the loose curls or add my own curls. I decided to do my own curls. I added just a little bit of holding spray. This is not a glue, it is a holding spray. I'm going to melt that into my skin with the Luvmehair melt band. While that's melting into place, then I'm just going to take my, I think this is a 1.5 inch barrel curling wand to add some curls to my hair. Tedious process. You don't have to add these curls if you don't want to, but I did, and I think they look gorgeous. Can we take a second for how healthy the hair looks even once it's styled? Like, I didn't even add anything extra to the hair besides a little extra holding spray once I got finished with the curls, but it has that nice shiny healthy look already once you get the wig.
Acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Need a paper towel, give me another value. looking for, yeah.
Once I got finished with my curls, I did kind of a little throw and shake with my hair so the curls won't be as tight and they'll fall, but still have a nice bounce and still look full. And look at how that looks. Does that not look gorgeous? I mean, this hair eats. It looks so freaking good. So I did a little swoop situation in the front. Since I knew I wanted to cut it a little bit shorter, I went ahead and plucked it out just a little bit so it wouldn't look super duper full with that swoop, so that it looks more natural that way. I cut a little angle, and then I'm going to use some mousse to swoop that into place. And that is the final look with my deep C left part. It looks so good. I even showed you guys what it looks like once you pull it off and sit it back on. It can still be worn without your holding spray, without any glue. It looks really good and it stays in place. Now, this is what the hair looks like with a little middle part. And do you see how that lace just disappeared on my hairline, on my forehead? Oh my gosh. And I love the density of it as well. It has a really nice full density to it, especially with you getting an 18-inch wig. I feel like that's kind of I feel like 18 inches is kind of like an odd length in my opinion, because sometimes you get one that's super full, sometimes you get one that's a little bit thin, but this one was right on the money. Like, it has enough bundles in it for sure. You can see that breathable cap. I definitely want you guys to see that in this natural lighting, so that way when you're wearing your wig all day, it's going to be comfortable and you won't feel like you're getting hot or have just a bunch of hair sitting on your head. But you guys let me know what you think about this unit. What do you think about the styles? Will you be trying it? If you are interested in it, I'm going to have the link in my YouTube description box. Definitely leave me a comment and let me know what you guys think about this unit. Thank you to Luvmehair for sending this unit over, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.
I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good. I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up. Boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the area, yes, but you guessed it.